Okay, now that our potatoes almost done and the chicken has been boiling, we're just gonna add 1 cup of rice. And get it to boil and let it cook a little bit. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna do the onions and carrots. Okay, now that onions are fried, we're gonna add our shredded carrots. And my daughter is helping me. Good job. All of it in there. And mix it in a pan. Can I have a little bit? Coffee. And now we're going to add sour cream. About 4 spoons of sour cream. 1. Be careful, don't go too. 2. Whoa, good job. 3. 4. Just the regular sour cream.
From Winco Foods.
Thank you. And gonna mix it a little bit. And add a cup of water. Slowly. Just add a cup of water.
While you're mixing.
Yeah.
Don't pour it all because it can mess it up. Like
Yeah.
all at one time, it can mess it up.
Oh, you know better than me, huh? Well.
I know how to cook.
Okay. Alright, just dip it all in there and we're gonna mix it. After we're gonna fry a little, we're gonna put it in a big pan. She's a lefty, so.
I'm not righty. Righty is hard for me.
I had it on the small gas stove. You need to put it on the bigger one. Hold on.
Mix it.
I know you do.
It's fun to cook.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
It's better than cleaning.
You don't like cleaning?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. But you have to clean after you cook, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know. But I clean out after I cook.
So see, it all dissolved. The sour cream is all dissolved.
Yeah,
And after it's all
gone.
dissolved,
It's all gone.
we're going to put it in
To the big bucket.
a big pan
Or bucket.
where the rice and the potatoes and chicken, and you can use not just chicken, you can use beef for it if you want. So see, this is almost ready. And we're gonna add this in here. All of this goodness goes in there. And right now it kind of looks like a yellow soup, but at the end it's going to look green. Don't ask me how, but it will. Okay. Okay, our soup is almost ready. Gonna add eggs, our boiled eggs. Six of them.
Yeah, 6. And then after that, you just have to stir it a little.
Thanks. Okay, now we're gonna add our green onions, chopped green onions.
You have to chop them sideways. Or I don't know.
Then we're gonna add parsley, dill, and sorrel.
But you just have to mix it.
Okay, we're adding sorrel. This is sorrel. Kind of tastes sour.
Yeah, but it's really good.
You need a lot of it.
Yeah.
This is why it's called the green borscht or green soup. In Russian, it's called zelený borscht, which means green borscht soup. I'm gonna add parsley, chopped parsley,
You gotta mix it too.
and dill. All those ingredients we add at the end because the soup or borscht, whichever you want to call it, is already ready. Okay, so this is parsley, cilantro, and dill. We're gonna add it to our borscht, green borscht. We're gonna stir it.
With the mixer or stirrer.
And we're gonna try it. See how it looks all green now? It's because of the sorrel. And sorrel makes it more sour.
I like it when it's sour.
And we're gonna try it, and when you eat it, you could add some more sour cream in your bowl. And our green borscht is done. Okay, it's time to try some of this green borscht, zelený borscht. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe and like. Yummy!